Artoonza.
Ahoy there, Captain Crayons and Number Navigators! Did you know the number 7 is secretly a boat waiting to sail across your paper? That's right. Today we're turning 7 into the coolest boat ever with glitter, paint droppers, and our tiny vacuum friend who eats extra sparkles. He's on a glitter diet. Don't judge. Give us your like. We're talking violet, blue, light green glitter magic that'll make sailors jealous. Plus, we'll splash acrylic paints like Picasso at sea, except way more fun and zero boring museum rules. So grab your markers, glitter, and sense of adventure. Warning, this boat might look so good you'll want to sail away. But remember, it's paper and glitter, not actual wood. Let's make waves and draw the boat of your dreams. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. First, we drop light blue like it's ocean rain. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
Now, black glitter polish makes our boat fancy.
Wow!
Time to brush that light blue like we're painting the sky. Our boat masterpiece is getting its ocean outfit on. It's so blue, even the sky might get jealous. Brush, brush, brush. Almost there. Color, color, color. Drop, drop, red alert! We're adding red like a superhero cape for our boat. Brush it out and watch the magic happen. Your boat is looking fire, literally red fire. Okay, here's where we get fancy. Drop brown, then white, then mix like a mad scientist, making the perfect light brown potion. It's like baking a color cake. Stir it up, mix it good, and boom! Perfect light brown appears like magic. Now brush it on smooth and creamy. Chef's kiss to this color mixing. Our boat is getting that wooden boat vibe, except it's paper and paint. But let's pretend we're master boat builders. Final color time. Drop that light green like we're adding grass to the ocean. Don't ask, just trust the process. Brush it out smooth and watch your boat come alive with the perfect finishing touch. It's so pretty now, even mermaids would want to ride. And just like that, our number 7 boat is ready to sail. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.